Your videos are not failing because you're a bad creator. No, it just means that you do not understand your YouTube analytics very well. Because when you do understand your analytics, you'll be able to get clues from your YouTube studio about how to make your YouTube videos better. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to read your YouTube analytics. I think this is one of the biggest challenges a lot of creators are facing. You don't understand what this graph means. I was in that point as well. I did not know what it means. I didn't know what the pink line meant. I didn't know what the blue line meant. I didn't know what the ash line meant. But they all have their meanings. In today's video, if you can stay to the end of the video, I'll be showing you step by step how to read each and every one of your YouTube graph, right? I call it graph because yes, it's YouTube graph. The graph actually helps you to understand how your channel is doing. The moment you're able to understand your graph, you will be able to do better content. I use my own YouTube analysis as a case study. This is me being very open and vulnerable to you. So you see that the struggles you have, every other creator have the same struggles. But what is going to set you apart is the fact that you are able to understand your analytics and begin to apply the lessons you get from the feedback of your analytics, right? So at the end of this video, you'll be able to understand why your video drops, why your viewers leave when they leave, and when they actually do leave. You're going to understand when you have spikes on your video and how that actually helps your channel. You're also going to understand why your viewers leave in the first 30 seconds. And then you're also going to be getting tips on how to get this fixed. Your audience retention graph, which is this particular one trained here up here, your audience retention graph simply shows you how long people stay on your channel to watch your videos. When you post out a video, and then after 48 hours, you begin to see this particular graph. When you see the graph is at 100%, it simply means that everyone actually stays to watch the video. When the graph goes down, when the graph goes down, it simply means that people left the video or they are leaving the video. When there's a sharp drop, right, it means that something went wrong. And then when there's a flat line, it means that you have stable interest. When there is a spike, it simply means that something interesting was said and then people kind of rewatched that part or, stayed again, paused that part to see what was said there. Retention is how YouTube gets to decide if your video is worthy of being watched, if it's worthy of being shown to a larger audience. The retention rate or the retention, right, the retention of your video is what makes YouTube to recommend your videos to more persons. Now, let me show you practical examples using different graphs. Okay, so this is the very first example. Notice how the graph drops immediately. This particular video, I spent time creating it. But when I went to my analytics, I realized that the video was not doing well. I realized that at the very first 30 seconds of that video, the graph went from 100% down, like it went down. You can see for yourself, right? It went down. What does this mean for my channel? It means that people click the video to watch it. My thumbnail was good, my title was good, but the hook was very bad. So people clicked the video to watch. But the moment I started talking, I lost their interest 30 seconds into the video. Now, some people still stayed to watch, right? People still stayed to watch the video. But it also meant that they left at some point, right? They left at some point. This could be because I did not deliver the value on time. Your thumbnail can be right, your title can be right, but the moment the hook is not right, people are going to leave. The second thing it simply means that I did not give out the value fast enough, right? I didn't give out the value fast enough, so they didn't find that video interesting. Reason why they clicked off almost immediately. The next reason is that viewers got confused, right? Probably my title, what I said in my title was not what I delivered with my hook, and then the next 60 seconds of the video, I didn't get to deliver that, so they also left. Another reason is the fact that there were no exciting moments. There was nothing to keep them hooked on the video. There were no B-rolls, no sound, no effect, no transition, nothing, and then they lost interest almost immediately. Another reason is the fact that they had no reason to stay. Maybe those that even managed to even watch to a point, they watched and then they saw that I was either talking too much and then they left. Some were just passive watchers. These are the reasons why this video, when I posted it, it did not do well. When I discovered this, there was something I did. If you stay to the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what you can do to redeem a video that is like this. This is the second graph. This particular one, the video was short, as you can see. The video was short, so the length was not the problem. The structure of the video was the problem. And if you notice it again, my hook was still poor because there was a drop at the very first 30 seconds of the video. I lost people 30 seconds into the video, I already lost them. So this was a good video, but even though it was short, I still did not get them to watch to the end. I don't know. I lost them already from the hook. So the video was not a bad video. The value was not bad, but the structure of the video was poor. Now, the third graph, this is the third graph. This one was a longer video, right? It was a longer video, but if you notice, the AV arrow shows that people only stayed for 4 minutes to watch. For a video of 16 minutes, only 4 minutes for people who get to watch the video. It simply means that even though the video was long, I still did not get people to stay on that video. What does this mean? I talked too much. Maybe I explained too much in the video, right? And then maybe there's slow pacing. Maybe my talking pattern was very slow. I had repeated talks and all of that. So they left. Another reason could be that I did not put enough B-rolls. This is actually something that I need to really work on for my own channel. I do not pay attention to B-rolls, transition, sound effect, and all of that. There are things that I now consciously will be doing from my videos, right? All of my videos, I've been trying that I put at least some transitions, some B-rolls, some write-ups, some sound effects. This is going to keep people watching. And the video is long does not mean that it's going to do well, right? In fact, as a matter of fact, people do not really even like watching long videos unless that video hooks them from the beginning to the end. Now, this is the fourth graph. For this one was a complete flop from the very 24 to 48 hours. It was a complete flop. My worst video based on this graph, right? Based on this graph, this was my worst video. Even though now I have been able to fix it. And like I said, if you can wait to the end of the video, I'll be sharing with you what I did to redeem these videos. I will still show you the new graph, the new feedback that I have from my retention, right, for this particular video. Now, this is the fifth one, right? This is the fifth example. For this one, as you can see, this is like my best performing video compared to the other videos that I have shown you. I have high retention, I have more stable viewers, I have more spikes present in the video. It simply means that this video did well, right? It simply means that I was able to hook them in. My thumbnail and my title did a good job. It also meant that people who stay to watch for a longer amount of time, and yes, I gave the value that I promised in the video. Do you get the point? If you're able to understand all of this with your graphs, you will be able to know what to do in your other videos. You'll be able to know what to work on. In conclusion, this is what I discovered, and this is how you can fix yours if you're having the same issues. I discovered that I have to work on my hook, right? I have to work on my hook. I also discovered that videos where I have spikes are performing better. So I'm going to be going back to my videos to check those places I have spikes and probably do that, like repeat those same things. It could be something I said, it could be how I said it, it could be how I taught it. I'm going to be repeating those same things in my videos so that I can have more spikes in my videos. I also discovered for my long videos, I lose attention faster, right? People leave my videos faster for my longer videos. But for the shorter videos, at least they get to stay to, if it's a 6 minute video, they get to stay till 4 minutes and they watch the videos. So going forward, I'm going to reduce how much I talk in my videos and get to ensure that I deliver value as I promised. The last thing I got to discover is that my value comes too late. I get to say a lot of things, including introduction, and then when it's time to deliver my value, people who I created that video for, they have moved on with their life. They've gone to the next video because I took too much time to deliver the value. So going forward, I'm going to be ensuring that I reduce all of that, go straight to the point, and deliver value. What you should do in case you read your analytics and you see something like this on your own videos, this is what you should do. Start with the results. Start with the pain point of your audience. How do I mean? Instead of saying, "Hi, I am Ali Virtue. Welcome to my YouTube channel," you can go with, "Are you having pimples on your face and you've been wondering how to get it fixed? This is what I did to get mine resolved." Do you get? This way, people who have that pain point will get to stay on that video because they want to see what you did that got your own pimple issue resolved. So start with the pain point and the result. Don't bother so much about your introduction. We can already see your name. We already know you. We already know you somehow. Maybe at the end of the video, you can go ahead and introduce yourself again if you want to. But don't start with your introduction. Go ahead and hit Go ahead and say the results. Tell us what we're going to get from the video and go ahead and grab our attention. Now, the second thing you should do is add engaging moments, right? The video should not just be a boring one where you just get to talk, 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 talk. Go ahead and go ahead and add engaging moments. You can say, go ahead and add engaging moments. Talk about your results. Talk about the things you have discovered. Talk about your own experience. Talk about what you did to get a better result. Talk about something that happened, right? As relating to that particular topic. Go ahead and give us engaging moments, things that we can engage on. This way, you'll be able to get their attention and keep them hooked on your videos. Now, the third thing you should do going forward, keep your videos shorter. If you know that the video keep your video shorter. It must not be 16 minutes for you to be able to, have a good video. If the video is an explainer video and you know you need to do recording and teach, it's no problem. You can go ahead and still do that, but ensure that it is not too long because the longer it's not the longer the better. Actually, people can get less interested in a very long video unless that video, like I said, hooks them from the beginning to the end. The first thing you should work on is give a faster pacing. Don't talk too slowly. People don't get interest. People lose interest when you're talking too slowly. Go ahead and give your points fast. Like, don't talk too fast as well. Try not to be too fast with your communication, but at the same time, ensure that you are fast in delivering your value. The last thing is give a strong ending as well. You can add good call to action, right? Tell them what they should do next. Tell them what they can click next. Tell them another thing that they can another video they can watch that is going to help them get solution. Do you get the point? You do not also have to even say like and subscribe. You can actually still add that, but go ahead and ensure that you give a strong ending. And then the last one on my list is add B-rolls, add sounds, and add effects. Now, why I recommend this is I have noticed when you're watching a video and then along the line you hear a click, that bell sound, right? Somehow, if your mind has drifted away, you will somehow come back to the video when you hear that sound. So that is the reason why it is good to add B-rolls, sound effects, transitions, and all of that. It brings the people watching back to the video. And this is what I discovered, and this is how I'm fixing my own channel. And guess what? I got help from ChatGPT. I just took a screenshot of my graph. I took about 5 different pictures of different videos, and then I went on chat and pasted it there. And I asked her to give me the meaning of those graphs, and then it did, and I was able to get solution for myself. So you too can apply the same thing, right? Apply the same thing and go ahead and practice it. Go ahead and apply the same thing. When you practice it and then you find out what the problem of the channel is, come back to this video and tell me that yes, it's you found out your problem and you're going to be applying whatever solution that chat gave to you. This is one pure way to get your views going, to get watch hours, because the longer people stay on your video, the better watch hours you get. You know already. Once they stay on your video to watch, the better watch hours you get. If you've come to this point of this video, I am trusting that you got value for your time spent here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave a thumbs up for me. And yes, you can watch my other videos. This playlist is going to be a guide if you're on YouTube already. And if you're a beginner and you need a guide, this one down here should be the one you should click. You can just watch my videos and get help for yourself. Thank you so much, and I'm hoping to see you in my next video. For now, do have a blessed week. Bye.